The whole Bugatti's rusted through, bad condition.
Yeah, the wheels in front are fully damaged.
But it's a 38 Atlantic. Here she is, the fully restored 1938 Bugatti.
Oh wow, she's absolutely flawless. The whole car's rusted through.
Yeah, even the wheels are shot.
What a find.
Let's see. The rust is deep, but it's salvageable. I trust your expertise. It's a deal. This emblem is the key,
It's seen better days.
but it's still there. Ready for the winch? Hooked. Pull it.
Careful with the winch.
Steady now, almost there.
Looking good.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, pushing.
Keep it steady.
It's moving.
Hold it steady. I'm securing the straps.
Got it. Just watch the tension.
She's riding smooth, a real beauty.
Perfect. The suspension's holding up.
Yeah, a dream. All right, back it up. Nice and slow.
She's a beauty. Watch the clearance.
Okay, stop. Perfect.
I can't believe she's here.
All right, releasing the straps now.
Careful with the body.
Ramps are down. All right, releasing the locks. Guide it steady.
Got it. Rolling down nice and slow.
Look at this rust. It's eaten right through.
Incredible. The texture is like old paint flaking off.
This wheel is completely seized.
Be careful. Don't force it.
Look at this rust. It's bad.
Let me see.
See? Deep rust flakes.
Wow, that's extensive.
All right, let's see what's inside.
Be careful. It looks fragile.
Wow, look at that. Time to get these tools organized.
I'll watch and learn.
There. Perfect symmetry.
Easy now. Line it up with the chassis.
Got it. Positioning the lift now.
Perfect. Looks solid.
Ready when you are.
Initiating lift.
Look steady.
Perfect separation. Ready? On 3.
1, 2, 3.
There it is. The chassis.
Incredible. See this rust? I'll map it.
Okay, show me.
Here and here.
Got it. Be gentle with that. It's irreplaceable.
I know. Just initial grinding.
Those are for the Bugatti?
Yeah, but first, the main event. Be careful with it. I will. Time for the metal integrity check.
Listening for any imperfections?
Exactly. This will confirm the restoration.
Chassis wash on the Bugatti. Low pressure.
Copy that. Starting the wash.
Perfect. Look at that shine.
Okay, I think that's it.
All right, let's give it a try. Be careful with the door. Okay, bring the hoist down.
Lowering now.
A little left. Good.
Aligning over the mounts. Try this one.
Okay, what about this?
Yeah, that could work.
Let's see.
All right, let's get this engine on the stand.
Okay, ready? Lowering now.
Align the pins.
Got it.
Time to degrease the block.
I'll get the rags. Wow, look at that grime dissolving. Careful with that intake.
Got it. Setting it here.
Good, now the ancillaries.
On it. Careful with that intake.
Got it. Need the long wrench?
Yeah, thanks. Almost there. Let's check the 38 Bugatti transmission for corrosion.
Right, it looks like it has surface rust.
Let's rotate it. All right, time to shape this panel.
Be careful with the contours.
Got it. Here we go. Time to smooth this curve. Feel the difference.
It's already so smooth.
One more pass. Watch how I align this spine.
It's so precise.
The rivet's a key. Time to inspect the spine seam.
Let's see how the restoration held up.
The texture's smooth, no imperfections. All right, let's test fit this panel.
Okay, but be careful with the alignment.
I got it. How's that look?
Perfect.
Final welding touch on the Atlantic.
The spocks are mesmerizing.
That's it. Seems complete. See this weld? The grinder smooths it perfectly.
Wow, look at those sparks.
Exactly, it gets the whole car smooth. Watch this. I'm smoothing the welded area with a fine grinder.
The whole car?
Yeah, even the backside. Okay, primer time. Watch the technique.
Got it. Slow and even.
Exactly, building the perfect base. Primer's cured, time for the touch test.
Looks smooth. Go ahead.
Very smooth. All right, midnight blue, let's do this.
Go for it. I'm watching.
Spraying now, look at that gloss.
Perfect. It's transformed.
Look at that shine, the depth is incredible.
It's perfect, like a mirror.
The new paint really pops. This Bugatti needs wet sanding to perfect the finish.
I've never seen it done. Show me.
Watch the water beads, they show it's working. Final polish, let's make it perfect.
Ready. Go for it.
Time for the final polish.
Let's see the shine.
Watch this. The rebuild is complete, time to install the final parts.
Incredible. Let's see it.
Perfect fit, it's finally done.
Amazing work.
Time for the final polish.
Let's make it shine.
Engine coming down. All right, watch this. Torque tightening the engine mounts.
How tight?
To spec, listen for the click. Hear that? Perfect. Time to install these fresh leather seats.
They look incredible. So soft.
Now for the dash board. These gauges are ready.
The wood grain is perfect.
All right, watch this. It's all about gentle pressure.
Got it. Looks tricky.
Just align the edge and press it home. Time to mount the new wire wheel.
The spokes look great.
Aligning the hub now.
It's on.
She looks perfect. Let's take a final walk around.
I can't wait to see her shine.
Every detail counts. All right, let's wake this beauty up.
I'm ready. Let's hear it.
There it is. Perfect. Look at this craftsmanship.
It's beautiful.
Now for the door.
So smooth.
This is it. The final moment with this beauty.
I know. It's hard to let go.
Here she is, the fully restored 1938 Bugatti.
Oh, wow. She's absolutely flawless.